It's your boy Devin7 back there bringing you a video. In today's YouTube video, I'm trying to make this video as short as possible so you guys can download Photoshop CS6 for free. Everything you'll be needing in this video and for you guys to need to download Photoshop is all in the link description down below. Go ahead and click down the PS download. Go ahead and take that. It's going to take you to a MediaFire page. Go press download. Once it's downloaded, if you guys don't have WinRAR, go ahead make sure to download WinRAR. I'll have a WinRAR link down the description down below as well. And make sure you guys have them both. Come back to your desktop and we're going to go ahead and start our WinRAR file. It's a RAR file. So you guys are going to go ahead and click on it with a right click and go to extract files here. Then you can start extraction. Alright, now bring it over here. Click on your guys' Photoshop file. Go ahead and click on setup. Alright, it's going to tell you if you guys want to, do you want to allow this app to do any unknown changes. My screen might be black, but your screen won't. So go ahead and press yes. Alright, you guys are gonna have to go press OK. Go ahead and press next. Use the accept agreement. Press next. It's gonna tell me if you want to download a folder anyways. Make sure to go ahead and click yes. And it's gonna tell you to. It's gonna give you a serial number key. So go ahead and go to the serial notepad and go ahead and copy this key. Press Ctrl C. And then go make sure go paste it in. I can't do it because I already have Photoshop, but once you guys have got to that process, Photoshop will open up for you. So yeah, so if you guys like this video and this video helped you get Photoshop, make sure to leave a thumbs up right here. And right now, make sure to subscribe if you guys want to see more videos. I upload graphic design tutorials, hacks tutorials, and so on and so on. So my name is Devin, and my YouTube name is 7, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.